good. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Two people. It's nice. Let's see. Let's see. It's really nice. When you're in Poland, I suggest you to try Kvass. It's a fermented cereal-based beverage with a slightly cloudy appearance, light brown color, and sweet-sour taste. It's a popular drink in Russia, Ukraine, Poland, Baltic countries, some parts of Finland, Sweden, and China. Let's try this Polish traditional soup. I couldn't even pronounce how it's called. There is meatballs. Here. This is Tripe Soup with meatballs. It's very delicious. Tripe is actually not for everyone. It's the edible lining of a farm animal's stomach. If you think about it, it's actually weird, but it's tasty. It goes well with bread. I really like it, but it's not to my husband's taste.